Kardom kadu kawe karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangara do ana fans tamela pen pinila so video long nari tumhana ki 1p matina ke than ponji labang ke Assam scooty scheme merit list saputa sang than pachini ponik po komama men si ke doma lapen akunana school mala soput haglang polona lapen nali tuma men doma ve mala tanali tum tek mon long ekpo nali tum so YouTube channel subscribe kelang pole subscribe ikon lapen video nali tum share pole ikon tang tenon patik pen Assam scooty scheme merit list saput hagle lang polona lapen jethan polona tang tenon patik pen Assam scooty merit list 2025 aput hagle jethan polona lapen labang so scheme Assam government hin pensi ke launch poneglo lapen scheme amen labang ke pragyan bharati scooty scheme busiki air ponno lapen labang so scheme keron pon labang ke higher education atuman si keron ponno lapen non ke thandam ji labang ke merit list aputa se thandam nang lapen komama men si ke pipon ma lapen ke do ke undun ma ke long dun ma da so puthak lang pono nang lapen arts science commerce student atum non nale tum merit list bangke langlong ekpo lapen labang so scheme ale kilong dun mate kilong dun jetum labang ke piningkan class 12 examination along ki undun abang phu mate abang phi tum si labang so scheme ale bangke long dun ekpo see overview of pragyan bharati scheme labang ke lasono dar nale tum thek ponong po lapen scheme amen labang ke Assam scooty scheme lo lapen Assam government hin principal launch ponno objective labang ke dak provide free scooter in the meritorious student beneficiary labang ke Assam student arts science commerce vocational official website alitum labang so website on dambes tame details labang ke nalitum lang ponlong ji lapen labang so scheme upon apply dunji protang te labang ke permanent resident labang ke Assam nang po lapen academic performance nang ji female atum student atum la class 12 examination long 80% marks kilong atum nang po lapen male atum stame la son lo 80% marks long nang ji class 12 examination long ajad stream stame chok science punon arts commerce punon stame 80% ane long nang ji lapen educational institution student must have studied in a government school or college under Assam Higher Secondary Education Council mate student labang ke government school long kacharli a school lang po mate college lang po lapen under AHSEC labang so under nang po lapen continue education beneficiary must pursue higher education by class 12 lapen exclusion student in betterment represent dropout categories are not eligible lapen how to download Assam scooty merit list la so puthak labang ke lang dam na nalitum official website dak theklongji la so website dong dam nang po lapen hoda nalitum documents mate letters homepage dong duji lapen hodak link ta staminali tum long exi link for arts boys girls pulasan duji lapen nali tum la so pdf la download nang po da nali tum list tuma abema labang kilang nang po lapen science student apano lapen la arts student apano nali tum la ni website long dam te theklong ji lapen la son da commerce lapen commerce student atum hanstame pipono lapen dak do thulang nalitum labang so article amount to joy ke penalitum download longji merit list of boys lapen merit list of girls boys arts stream no lapen girls art stream lapen merit list of boys labang ke commerce labang ke girls commerce lo lapen science ta dolo lapu ar enat lang lo pula da girls atum hana lapen pu ar vienat lang lote boys atum hana sinalitum ladak pen le bears tame chok exi details bang long iklap nalitum dapen hodak details nalitum kilongji student name roll number registration number father name of institute and address percentage of marks mobile number lapen dealer name lapen token number nalitum kado ka details dak chelang long ikpo lapen details included in scooty merit list district court name address lahain ani tum details dak longji benefit of the pragyan bharati scheme la banke lasono free scooter la banke longpon provide petrol lapen electric scooters pipon pol lapen financial support abang cover registration and insurance costs with the no payment required from the student lapen empower enhance mobility especially female student processing independent lapen education motivation labang nasono nalitum dakpen tek pon longpo lapen guidelines tamen nalitum langlong exi la dakpen lapen nason rata dak merit list details tamen nalitum long pon ikpo lapen penan dak tok pon dolang nalitum jongsi langzi pulte lang tame lapen ili non example lapan nalitum phanam pik lang pon ikpo kicengsi la arts student atum han lang pon onang kumamas damen duma boys atum la arts long ber igon arts long ber iglo pula dak details dak chingpu pon ikpo nalitum ladak ang ton penamen hek ponlong ikpo ke chengsi nalitum serial number district code district name and address of the institution the school amen the name of candidate father name roll number registration season the total marks kan sekulong percentage kon ma mobile number email id high details nalitum dak hek pon long ikpo lapen la district name la bangke non dakido bazali pusitak tokpon nili example apan Karbi Anglong nili tokpon ikpo bangkuan samen duma find in a page Karbi Anglong dak teklong si Karbi Anglong la yellow color pen wagi yellow Karbi Anglong nalitum dak serial number lang pon ikon la pen code stamen nalitum long pon ikji Karbi Anglong Sankardev Jayanti Bidalaya Raja Pothar Pens Tamid Longpon Ekpo Don Bosco Higher Secondary School pen bangke thomdo pinson adla bangke lapen Don Bosco Senior Secondary School pen stame bangke thomdo lapen Sinkiri Senior Secondary School lapen ason dak dong Dokmoka Higher Secondary School pen inudo pinsotum lapen amen bang lasonno Dokmoka pen bangke Drop Jyoti Brua lapen Sikari senior secondary school la bangke Angkor Teron Milik lapen Don Bosco Senior Secondary School pen bangke Santunu Das Atur Kiri Hanse lapen Aklam Ronghang lapen ason tak Don Bosco Higher Secondary School pen bangke Dagni Nihimai kosone amen la bangke lapen Dutulang Dadhansa lapen Arsim Rongphar pusidak tokpon so nata nalitum lang pon ikmilo nalitum dag merit list la bangke bangko ansi kilong don malong lema la bangke lapen puthon nalitum bag wang tunon lapen bag wang det pen also apartment line puta la puthot la arts long ber tunon da ber det pen apit dag details banak lang ikpon nili lapen dag girls atum performance tame dag klang ikelo lapen nili ko fine in page nili Karbi Anglong performance lang ikpo Karbi Anglong lapen ason tak arlosotum labang kepinan dak dopon Karbi Anglong penta Hauragad Higher Secondary School pen stame do bahini do lapen government model college Dokmoka Higher Secondary School Don Bosco Higher Secondary School pen ong naila na litum teklongji Green Valley Senior Secondary School pen stame do lapen Vidya Sagar Senior Secondary School pen stame do lapen dak Pranab Jubilee Senior Secondary School pen stamedo nalitum dak amen lapen details nalitum dak tek pon long ekpo so natar nalitum labang so article long wang pen stamedak details merit list nalitum lang pon long exi lapen video nalitum share ikta lapen kumama amen se doman nalitum comment box long pethan pechini ngon tang pinia video long bang la aneng ton pon iknang do me thak me kadu kavi Karbi Teach 2.0 YouTube channel long kilagara do anapan stame nilin pen kardom